Welcome to the Unity plugin tutorial for Flexcom. This tutorial will guide you through the various steps required to create a visually impressive model in the Unity environment based on an existing Flexcom simulation. We will follow a step-by-step process during which you will learn about the following aspects. Step 1. Basic introduction. Step 2. Launching the plugin. Step 3. Importing a Flexcom model. Step 4. Enhancing visual detail. Step 5. Viewing in VR. Step 1. Gaining a basic introduction to Unity. You are now looking at a detailed engineering model in the Unity environment. Unity is a gaming engine which is quite popular amongst video game developers. The Unity plugin allows Flexcom users to create more advanced visualizations than is possible within Flexcom itself. The plugin transfers information from a Flexcom database into the Unity environment, which means that the enhanced display is based on the motions derived from Flexcom's finite element simulation. Unity is capable of delivering photorealistic imagery, so it may be used to create exciting promotional videos which highlight innovative device concepts or service offerings. Unity is a third-party software which is licensed separately from Flexcom. In order to use it, you would need to possess an active Unity 3D license and also some entry-level graphic design skills in order to maximize its full potential. As many engineering firms may not have graphical designers in-house, Wood are happy to create videos for individual customers as a service offering. Step 2. Launching the Unity plugin for Flexcom. Let's first create a new project in Unity. From the Assets menu, choose Import Package and then select Custom Package. Now browse to locate the Flexcom Unity Asset Package file in the Flexcom installation directory, i.e. the bin folder. We can quickly browse to double-check that the full contents of the asset package have imported correctly. When the import dialog appears, press Import to have the contents of the asset package imported into your project. Let's now open the Flexcom database importer from the window menu. Step 3. Importing an existing Flexcom model into the Unity environment. Let's now import a Flexcom model. Naturally, the numerical simulation for the finite element model must have been fully completed in Flexcom before you begin working in Unity. You can use the File Selection button to browse to the relevant Flexcom database file on your local hard drive. Once the importation process has completed, you will be able to view the Flexcom model within Unity. We've imported a flexible riser system, so we now have 5 risers, a buoyant midwater arch, and a floating vessel. You can pan around the model and zoom in and out to examine different parts in more detail. Notice that the Flexcom database importer on the right of your screen has a number of options. These allow you to control coloring and texturing of the model, and the subsampling rate controls the time intervals at which Unity reads motion data from Flexcom. Step 4. Adding more visual detail to the model within Unity. At this stage, the Flexcom model is now in the Unity environment, but the model you're looking at on screen in Unity looks very similar to the original model in Flexcom. In order to create a more visually impressive model, we will need to import some new assets. So let's replace the simple vessel with a detailed FPSO asset from Wood's design portfolio. Once the new vessel is added to the hierarchy, you can move it into the correct position and resize it as required. You can then remove the old vessel from the hierarchy so it no longer appears. You can easily import your own custom vessel's profiles, provided you have a 3D asset in FBX file format. If not, an FBX file may be readily created by most standard drafting software. Alternatively, you can request the creation of bespoke model assets for your VR world from Wood. Similarly, let's replace the simple mid-water arch by a more detailed asset from Wood's design portfolio. We also imported a Steam VR plugin for Unity and the DigitalOcean asset. It may take some time to import these items, so we won't show this on screen. But the process is very straightforward, and there are many online tutorials which cover this area. Note that specialized assets, such as the ocean surface, called Ultimate Water, are typically purchased from the asset store within Unity. Steam VR plugin is a free viewer which you can download from the assets store. Step 5. Viewing the final product in a virtual reality space. Unity videos are compatible with virtual reality, offering the viewer a fully immersive 3D viewing experience. On screen, you can now see a client who is immersed in a virtual reality scene. The large monitor is simultaneously showing the imagery which is being experienced through the VR headset. Experiencing a subsea model in 3D space provides an excellent sense of scale and perspective, which is simply not possible from a flat-screen monitor. Ambient sounds may also be used to provide added realism to the immersive experience. The spatial awareness afforded by VR can provide enhanced engineering insights. Feedback from engineering teams suggests that this can be particularly important for subsea layouts, where a number of components are operating in close proximity. Just to recap, here are the 5 steps we covered. Step 1. Basic introduction. Step 2. Launching the plugin. Step 3. Importing a Flexcom model. Step 4. Enhancing visual detail. Step 5. Viewing in VR. For more information, please send us an email or visit our website. Thank you for watching.